a little problem, I guess. And we're going to use MATLAB to solve this problem. But we're just going to use MATLAB as like a calculator, the way you would do this on a calculator, for example. We'll get an idea of how some of the commands work and how the different parts and pieces work together. So here we go right here. You and a friend just finished a restaurant meal. It's time to pay the bill. Total for the meal is $56.25. That's with tax. You're picking up the tab. Let's use MATLAB to calculate the total amount, including a 15%, 20%, and 25% tip. So let's put some variables in here, okay? I'm just going to call it meal. I say meal is equal to, I'm over in the command window here, 56.25, $56.25. Right? See what happens? So what I've done is I've stored a variable here. I've got a variable here called meal. It's listed over here in the workspace, and its value is 56.25. All right. So let's calculate a tip now. So we can say tip 15 is equal to, okay, so 15% tip, 15% of $56.25 is going to be 0.15 times 56.25. Now, I could put 56.25 in here if I want. I could put the number in, or I can just put the variable in. So I'm going to say it's 0.15 times whatever the value of the meal is. And we can see the value of the meal here is over in the workspace. So let's hit enter. There we go. So the tip 15% is going to be $8.44, let's say. Okay, so the tip 15 total, let's declare another variable. 15 total is going to be equal to the meal, okay, the value of the meal, I'll list it over here in the workspace, plus tip 15, just the 15% of 56.25. Hit enter again. There we go. So tip 15 total, 15% tip is going to be $64 and excuse me, 69 cents. We can do the same thing for 20 now. I can say for 20% tip, I can say tip 20 is equal to 0.2 star meal. So 20% of whatever the value of the meal is. So a 20% tip is going to be $11.25. And we can say tip 20 total is equal to meal plus tip 20. So we got another variable here that'll go into the workspace. Tip 20 total, $67.50. Now we can do 25% now. I can say tip 25 is equal to 0.25 times the meal, 25% of the meal. That's $14.06, let's say. And we can say tip 25 total is equal to our meal plus tip 25. There we go, $70.31. So just a quick little tip calculation here. Now, there's a couple other things you may find useful, and I'll just throw these in at the end here. But if I want to clear the command window, I want to clear this middle window out here. Command is CLC. You just have to memorize these commands. If I want to clear the workspace, it's clear. Okay, so I'll stop this now. Again, a quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it makes sense. We haven't done anything fancy. We haven't written any script yet. We're just using MATLAB as a calculator. The same way you would do this calculation on a little hand calculator or in the calculator built into your phone. Thank you.